안녕하세요 여러분, 켈리 같이 공부입니다. So, I'm back. I hope you guys enjoyed that travel vlog. This is the video coming out after that, so if you guys have not watched my travel vlog, please make sure to watch that. I'll leave the thumbnail here so you guys know what it looks like, and I'll put it in a card up there in the corner. I bought a lot of stuff. You guys might not be able to tell, or maybe it might not even be a lot for some people, but for me, I only ever buy like one souvenir every time we go. What was the difference? The difference was, for my quinceañera, I asked for cash. So, I had a good amount of cash to spend. And I specifically saved it for when I went to LA because I knew there was a butt ton of stuff I wanted to buy. So there's really not much else to say, so let's just get into the haul part of this video. Okay, so first item I bought was this monthly planner. I bought it mostly because it has a lot of different functions to it. It's not just the planner. There's like a daily routine sort of thing, a goal tracker, and yeah. Next I bought these 2 mouse pads. I don't have a computer, so I don't intend to use them for their original purpose. I just want them because they're cute. Next is this pencil case because my old whale one was getting kind of raggedy, and it's a dog eating chicken. What other reason do I need? Carrot pen from the K-drama Sweet Revenge. You know I was gonna buy it. Ignore the tiny green stain on the side, cause there's a doggo inside. These 5 pens match the first mouse pad and have little Korean sayings on them, so naturally I needed them. I wanted them. It was a necessity, and I do not regret my purchase. Okay, so small segue between pens to stationery. I bought this small little blind box stationery set from Miniso. It's washi tape, little sticky notes, and a pen. To be completely honest with you, I like BTS, but I think I like BT21 more. Please don't come after me. I just really like the little characters, and I honestly don't listen to their music much, but I still like them as artists. And obviously I can't buy a buttload of pens without a bunch of tiny notebooks. These notebooks are really cute. They were $1.50 each, and they have cute little patterns, and I don't know, I just really like them. So, of course, I bought them. I may have bought more avocado boba bear stuff, but come on, look at these pencils. They're so cute. Of course, I had to add a new fluffy buddy to my stuffed animal addiction. I also bought a cute little calendar I will only get to use for another 5 months or so, but it is totally worth it. And even when it gets out of date, I will still continue to use it purely for the graphics and for the pretty images. If it's outdated, then I'm sorry if that bothers you, but it doesn't bother me. I just really like the pictures. And I do intend to get my full $10 plus tax worth of money. I mean, come on, man. I'm broke, I can't just afford to be just buying things and then use it for a couple months. Next is this little We Bare Bears lamp thing. I saw a Tata one in the line front store, but it was 50 bucks, and I figured this is the closest I'm gonna get. And it's also really cute. I really don't have an explanation for this one. It's a duck wearing a koala suit, and it's a clock. You guys saw this one in the vlog. I finally bought a Chinese umbrella I'd been meaning to buy for several years now. And that's it. That's everything I bought for my desk. Stationery, decorations, plushies, mouse pads, stationery. I really like how my desk looks. It looks so cute now, and I love all the colors. But you didn't think I was done, did you? Yes, I did buy pajamas. I bought these in Chinatown, 3 sets of pajamas for $20, and I thought it was a good deal. And I didn't realize until I got home that there's some really obvious typos on them. But I don't really care, they're comfy. Now for normal clothes, mini fashion show, got this at a flea market, swap meet. It's very cute. Very nice. I love the pattern. I'd been meaning to get myself a lemony shirt, I don't know, for some time. Only problem is I can't breathe. It's like a corset sort of thing. There's no stretch to it at all. So can't wear this to a dinner party. Next is another type of shirt I've been meaning to get for a while. I've been meaning to get like this square sort of line collar thing. I don't know how to explain it, like the neckline. I really like it. It's comfy and I can actually breathe in it, which is amazing. Next is this very like Y2K feel sort of shirt. I like the color. I don't know what it is. I guess it's the sleeves that gives that Y2K feel. But I bought the same thing in white because variety, right? But I can't decide if I like the green one or the white one better, but I don't know, I'll let you guys decide. Okay, so now we're done, okay? That was everything I bought on my trip to LA. This video is a lot shorter than I expected, but also because I edited it down a lot. The original haul video was gonna be a good at least 25 minutes long, the best I could edit it down. So I had to redo this, so I'm sorry you guys waited a little longer for my video than usual, but you know, I'm also not sorry because I'm not a video pumping machine. So, sorry, that was a little aggressive. I kind of have to say that to myself that it's not my fault. But anyway, I'm blabbering again. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I really love everything I bought. And oh my gosh, I just realized I never showed you guys this notebook or my bunny bag or my little poster I made out of a bag. Oh my gosh, whatever. You guys can see it in the footage here. Okay. Yeah, but basically in my vlog, you can see me come out of the Line Friend store with this bag. I had to pay 11 whole cents for it. So I just made it into a poster and hung it up on my wall. Gotta make the most of your resources, you know? But thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. So 여러분, 나중에 또 봐요. 안녕. Also, just excuse the next couple minutes of footage. I'm just waiting to get to the 10-minute mark. Gotta help myself along with that YouTube algorithm that hates me, you know? Okay, seriously now. Bye. 안녕하세요 여러분, 켈리 같이 공부입니다. You can tell this is a little different. Why? Because this is on the form of Instagram. So basically what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be partaking in the Straw Blondie Study Challenge. I am going to be doing it with three languages. And I'm going to be doing it with three languages: Korean, Japanese, and Chinese. If you don't know what this challenge is, then I will put the post to it in my story once I post this, and I'll put that in the highlight in case you guys want to go check that out. The first task of the challenge is to introduce yourself in your target language. Japanese and Chinese, I don't trust myself, so if I say something wrong or silly, please forgive me, okay? I just started these languages. Korean, I have a little more time studying. First off, Korean. 안녕하세요. 저는 15살 있고 고등학생인 켈리라고 합니다. 제가 작년부터 한국어 공부하고 있어요. 그리고 한국어 왜 배웠어요? 한국의 발음이 너무 좋아했고 한글 예쁘다고 생각했어요. 그래서 배우기 시작했어요. 네, 그게 끝. 감사합니다. はじめまして、ケリと申します。15歳です。よろしくお願いします。ありがとうございます。이제 중국어로 말할 거예요. 大家好，我是凯莉。我15岁。我是美国人。Oh my gosh, that was more nerve-wracking than it should have been. That was it. So day 1 complete. I will go check that off my list. I'll be back tomorrow for day 2. So please follow this account to stay tuned for more. And I will be back tomorrow. And please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel while you're at it. Link in my bio. 再见。